want to use someone's just their tension on their body to slowly, here, against the wall, so their body against the wall completely. I'm going to have, whether it stays their left shoulder, have them walk out the right leg and turn their body, pivot their body away as you can use your right hand, push a little bit to cause some tension on the shoulder. Having the hand down here allows you to stretch out that pec minor, anterior delt muscle to open up that shoulder more this way versus being turned in. So here you can control the stretch by coming here against the wall first. Slowly walk your right foot out for your left shoulder. Let your body slowly come out where it feels uncomfortable. Hold that 30 seconds. Then relax and repeat about 3 times. If that's easy, we're going to come now horizontal with the body and then slowly walk out again using your right hand to push yourself out. Feel more tension wherever you feel that uncomfortableness position. Hold that for 30 seconds. Again, one more time. Now up here, I'm going to go actually more of an angle here and then come out again. Push yourself out. Okay. Any questions about that? Who wants to try this? Any volunteers? Come on over. Let's see. You got it, you got it. What's your name?
Christina.
Christina, tell me, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Come on over, so I can start with this one first. Just like this. All right. And now with this hand right there, turn your right foot out. Give me your right foot out here. There we go. Right here. And now slowly push with this hand to straighten your elbow out. There we go, right there. And then push the elbow out this way. So turn your body. There we go. But push with your hand, but turn your body. Where do you feel that stretch? Where do you feel that stretch, Christina?
My back.
Right back here?
Yeah, shoulder, back.
So part of it too, what else controls the shoulder is your upper back. That's part of the shoulder complex, along with the neck too. So she's feeling it here, where it doesn't want to move in for one. Do you feel it here also?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so she feels the front too, the pec minor, anterior delt, that muscle also being stretched. Now go back to neutral, facing the wall. Bring that hand up here. Now again, with your hand here, push yourself out, turn your foot out too. Actually, other foot. Right foot out, there we go. And then turn your body this way. How's that feel? Relief. So stretch inside
It's straight from my back.
and the back too. So trying to get the blade, blade will actually come in when it should move normally. First can't move normally, it's step back here, also helping the shoulders stay sore tight. One more position. Up here, Christina. Start over. Bring your body out again. How does that feel? Another relief. And again, front muscle and all of the back, correct? Yeah. So 30 seconds. So your homework would be 30 seconds low, 30 seconds middle, 30 seconds up. All right?
But these two sides are different heights, right?
Yeah, right here. Yeah, you're a little higher on that right-hand side.
Right.
Yeah.
What happened?
What happened is, I don't have a crystal ball, but I would say, is your muscles are tighter here than here.
Oh.
Because when it gets tighter in your shoulder, that shoulder will actually rise up and come in to guard and protect it. So you got to watch for that. Whatever's tighter, it'll be tighter, make those muscles pop out. Keep this one low. Now, the longer it becomes your normal, you have to get that fixed by dropping it down, rotating it back.
Oh, so that way, here it's not hump anymore.
Exactly. So instead of coming here where it's going to hump forward, you want to bring your shoulder back, so it brings that, presses that scapula back to neutral. Yeah. All right. Okay, Christina. So work on both sides. 30 seconds.
Thank you very much.
Why she is in pain?
Well, and also, Christina, to make sure when you do the stretching, make sure you go the too. Okay, get to the part. If it's uncomfortable, that's where you want to stretch.